Welcome to another Real People Money. This is for two teachers with one kid in school. Together, they bring home $7,000. Their expenses add up to around $4,300. It includes a mortgage of $1,800, $425 for car payment and insurance, $620 for food, and a contingency of $200. They are currently saving $75 monthly for Christmas gifts, and they are investing $200 in a Roth IRA account. Debt payments for loans and credit cards are around $1,400. Their income minus all the expenses, savings, investments, and debts leave a balance of $935. They want to build their emergency fund, so adding that balance to the emergency fund category, their budget balances into a perfect zero-based budget. Last month, they overspent in 3 categories: electricity, groceries, and eating out. You can see the overspending categories in the red bars. They also spent $1,174 with credit cards. They spent just 2.6% more compared to their budget. Here you can see the big difference spent on food. You can also see that 60% are fixed expenses, while 40% are variables. Their saving and investment rate is 17%, which is good, and their debt payment goal is on track. If you want to take control of your finances and reduce your financial stress, grab this template at spreadsheetscrafter.com.